Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your cosmetic inventory and grow a garden if it's full. So this is only if you haven't done this trick yet, but it's basically, well, you basically need to go to the shop section, and then you need to scroll down and see the cosmetics. And if you want extra placement slots, you'll need to kind of upgrade it here. So for instance, I want 20 extras. I'm just going to keep using my money to buy it, and I'll be able to get extra placement slots in my inventory, like my cosmetics, as well as the placement. Here I'll show you. Now the total items is 375 instead of I think it was 275. Wait, or something like that. I don't remember, but you added like an extra 20. Unfortunately, it's only an extra 20. But yeah, that's how you can basically upgrade your cosmetics inventory. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.